How to see list of block accounts on Messenger. To check the block accounts and the list of them on Messenger, simply make sure to follow all this step one by one. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Firstly, open Messenger app on your Android device or iPhone that you have been using. And then make sure to log in or sign in on your Messenger accounts. If you haven't created any one of those, you need to create an account on Messenger and then log in on it. Then select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. On this left panel, select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to scroll all the way down and then select the privacy and safety option, which is under preferences. Open it and now select blocked accounts. Now on this page you will see all the accounts that you have been or you have blocked on Messenger. If you wish to unblock them, you can simply tap on their profile and select unblock button. So this is how you can easily check all the list of the blocked accounts on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.